Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking some extra crunchy chicken tenders in the air fryer. I've actually tried a few different recipes and this one by far is the best and most crunchiest. This is actually take number 2 as last week I might have had a little bit too much to drink. All right, let's get into it. The ingredients for the chicken tenders are simple. I have 500 grams of chicken tenders here, some flour, some eggs, and some cornflakes. I've popped some cornflakes into a mortar and pestle. This is actually going to be the breading of the outside of the tenders. You can actually just do this in a blender like I did last time. It works equally as well, possibly even better, but I really wanted to test this new toy out. So once you've got your breading to an even consistency, making sure not to bash it too much so you do have some larger chunks and some smaller chunks, pop that into a separate bowl, like so. Then we're going to take 3 eggs, pop them into the bowl, making sure to remove any egg that falls in, eggshell even. And then we're going to set up a third bowl with some flour. Now we're going to mix our 3 eggs and turn it into a egg mix so we can dip our chicken into. Now we're going to take our chicken, pop it into the flour and make sure that we evenly coat it all over. Give it a dip in the egg mix. And then bang it in the cornflakes. Making sure to get as much as we can onto the cornflake and then pop it into a separate dish. Now you obviously just repeat this process for as many times as you have chicken tenders. Once your chicken tenders look nice and breaded like these do, you're going to want to take them to your air fryer. Make sure you've got some spray, some cooking spray, and set this to 190 for 12 minutes. Now gently place the chicken tenders into the air fryer, making sure not to overlap them. If you need to do multiple batches, please do. You need to make sure this thing's cooked all over. Well, just fits in. Now you're going to want to spray a light coat of cooking oil on top of the tenders and flip them over and do the same on the other side. As I said, 190 for 12 minutes, flipping halfway. I'm also going to show you how to make a really tasty sauce with this. For the sauce, you're going to need some mayo, yellow mustard, honey, some barbecue sauce, a hint of lemon juice or lemon zest, and a little bit of salt and pepper. So I popped half a cup of mayo into a small bowl. I'm going to pop a tablespoon of barbecue sauce in. So, a tablespoon of mustard. If it comes out, yep. About a tablespoon of honey. Probably should do that with the lid on. I've probably gone a little under a tablespoon this time around. I did find it to be a little bit sweet last time, so we're going to add some extra things that I've seen online. We're going to add just a touch of lemon juice, a few cracks of salt and pepper. Then we're just going to mix this all together, get it into a nice consistent paste. And trust me, this is going to be the best dipping sauce for your chicken tenders. Okay, now these look ready. Super crispy and golden. Take one. Now let's cut one up. As you can hear, super crispy. Now it's time to give it a quick taste on its own. Tastes good, but could do with some salt. Now with the sauce that we prepared earlier. That is absolutely amazing. I recommend that you give this a go. It's delicious, it's quick and easy to make, and it tastes a lot better than the ones that you get in a packet. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the like button. I'll see you next time, guys.